back with another video. I'm gonna hop right in. So I start off by taping the edges so I can have a little border going around my picture. And to be honest, taping the edges was probably the hardest part of this painting. After I'm done taping, I go ahead and go in with my plaster. I purchased this box at Lowe's for like $7 or $8, can't remember. To be honest, this is my first time working with plaster and creating texture art. So I definitely was not used to the material. As you can see, I am struggling. I was like, why is it rolling like that? Is it supposed to be like that? So I really had no idea what I was doing, but I finally got the hang of it. So I didn't have a real design in my head. I was really just free flowing, just seeing how it will goes. I do not recommend this if it's your first time. At least buy a smaller canvas. Don't go big like I did. I know I'm from Texas, everything's bigger in Texas. But for this painting, please start off with a small project just so you can get used to messing with the plaster and just learning how it is. So at first in that corner, you can see I started off with some little swirls, but then I discovered I kind of like the box or rectangle look a little bit better. the entire canvas with plaster, I went ahead and took a plastic fork from my kitchen to make these swirls on the board. Now, honestly, I was debating making these, but I've seen a lot of people on Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube do this little design, and I do like it. A good thing with this plaster, if you make a mistake, you see how easily I'm able to just wipe over that mistake versus maybe like painting or using just a different material. So it is pretty easy to work with once you have the hang of it. And honestly, I made a mistake right there, but you can't even tell. So this is the next day when the plaster is all dry, so it does dry white. I really do like how that texture came out. Here you see me taking off the taping that's around, and I do love how straight my borders came out. I wish I did make it just a little bit thicker, but it ended up looking nice at the end. So I decided to spray paint it this stone gray color. I sprayed my first layer, waited for about 2 hours to dry, went back, added another layer on, and then immediately after I put on a shiny top coat. It took about maybe a day and a half to be fully dry. To keep it on the safe side, I did let it dry overnight, and I left it outside in the sun. It's hot in Texas, so I knew it was gonna dry super quick. Spray painting, it is important to get those edges, so this is what you see me doing. And that is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Honestly, I do want a lighter gray, so I may go back over it with a different spray paint and just make it a little bit lighter. But I am proud of myself. I do see a few mistakes. As you can see, I did not spray paint well enough, and it probably can use another layer of spray paint. But again, I may go back and spray paint it a lighter color. But let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.